Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the ukulele. In this video I'm going to really slow down the George Formby split stroke. This is split stroke 1. This is my version of the George Formby split stroke. I am tuned G, C, E, A, but any tuning is fine as long as your ukulele is tuned. So let's get started. I am using a C chord here, but any chord is fine. We are talking about one bar of music that will be counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now using the nail of the first finger, I'm going down through all the strings. I'm catching the bottom string with the pad of the first finger and tapping the G string with the nail of my first finger. So the first part is like this: down, catch, tap. That's down with the nail, catch the bottom string with the pad and tap the top string with a tap. Okay, so that's down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap. Now if you catch more than one string going up or tap one string going down, it really doesn't matter. If you can just do one string, it does help, but if you catch two, it doesn't really matter. So it's down, catch, tap. You repeat that, then a down, up. So it's down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap, down, up. Again. Down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap, down, up. Now I am strumming where the neck meets the body here. You can really strum where you want. This is the best place to strum because it's normally halfway between the nut and the bridge there. That's roughly the halfway point. That's why I tend to strum there in most of my videos. So with a C chord we are counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So one bar is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You will notice there are 8 counts there, 4 numbers and 4 ands. The movement we are doing has 8 movements. Down, catch, tap is 3. Down, catch, tap is another 3. Then a down, up is 2. 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 8. Well, it did when I went to school. So you would count it like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Very slowly: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. A little bit slower: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Doesn't sound great slow, but at speed. So again, one bar is down through all the strings, catch the bottom one, tap the top. Down through all the strings, catch the bottom, tap the top. Then a down, up. Again, down, catch, tap. Down, catch, tap. Down, up. So one bar is counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's down through all the strings, catch the bottom, tap the top. Down through all the strings, catch the bottom, tap the top, then a down, up, to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that is my version of the George Formby split stroke. This is split stroke 1. Tomorrow there'll be split stroke version 2, slow down. So again, it's important you get the timings more than the speed to start off with. So a C chord or whatever chord you wish up here, and just practice the first bit: down, catch, tap, pause, then down, catch, tap, pause, down, catch, tap, pause again, down, catch, tap. And when you can feel it, do that, do 2 together. Okay, and then when you can do that, you can put the down up in. So it's down through all the strings, catch the bottom, tap the top. That's down through all the strings with the nail of your first finger, your pointy finger. I'm catching with the pad of the first finger and tapping the top string with the nail of my first finger. And the down up at the end is down with the nail, up with the pad of the first finger. And that is my version of the George Formby split stroke number 1. Tune in tomorrow to see part 2. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until tomorrow, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.